Hey Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my September Stamp With Me card kit. So each month I do a kit where we get together on a Zoom on a Saturday morning and make the projects in the kit, and then I also give you a recording of that Zoom plus a website where the PDFs are, so you have all access to all the cuts and everything. I'm going to show you quickly what it is. This month we are using the More Than Autumn kit for bundle. So there's the stamp set, which truly is adorable and has a ton of stuff. And then there is the dies, which again, there's lots of different dies in here. So a lot of them cut out the images that are in the stamp set. But then we have all these words, and I'm going to show you in my card projects some of the stuff I did with those. So during this class, we will make 4 cards, a gift, or a candy bar holder, and also a hot chocolate packet. So let me show you quickly the cards. So the kit comes with some of the Iconic Celebration Designer Series paper, the Natural Tones linen thread, and the Earth Tones gems are in the kit, plus all the cardstock and everything that I used to make these projects. So this is like the hot cocoa packet, and this one's really cute, and you will get the candy bar that's in here too. But my local Family Dollar has these chocolate frosted donut Kit Kats, and so I made this cute little box. I got the pattern from another demonstrator where you had me at donuts. So anyway, those are the projects. So the kit will include a half a pack of the Iconic Celebration Designer Series paper, which is a great paper for all of the upcoming holidays that are coming. You'll get a package of the Natural Tones linen thread. You will get a full package of the Earth Tones gems, shimmer gems, Winkastella, and then all the cardstock and everything else that goes with it. And then what you'll need to complete the projects is a Memento ink pad and these blends. And so I've got crumb cake, pecan pie, copper clay, pumpkin pie, moody mauve, and misty moonlight. And then I also have available, if anybody's interested, these little packets of adhesives. So it's a full pack. I mean, you get a full pack of glue dots, the multi-purpose green glue, the sticky strip, and some dimensionals, and they come in this great little packet. One of the nice things, and then you'll need, of course, the pumpkin or More Than Autumn stamp set and bundle. And so how my classes work is you can purchase the kit, which would include all of these items, the paper, the cardstock, the shimmer gems, the linen thread, and the Winkastella in the kit, and I get that ordered, divide them up, and send them out to you. But however, if you decide to take the class and get the kit, then you can get the stamp sets, the blends, the Memento ink, and the adhesive packet that I put together. If you're interested, you can pick and choose which ones you like, but I send you those without charging you shipping and tax. So that's all covered. Just comes as part of your packet. I will post in the link below a link to sign up for the class, and then I send you a PayPal invoice for the kit, the class, or whatever else you ordered. I do the class separate as with no kit. So if you already have the products and you just want to come and join the fun of a class, go ahead and click on that and pay for the class kit or the class, the PDF and the videos. All right, so if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Contact me at Diane@DDStamps.com, and I hope you're having a great day. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.